Hello, crypto community. This is Dem A again. Welcome to my new weekly analysis today. Are you ready? So let's get started. What has happened since the previous weekly analysis? As I mentioned before, as I expected, Bitcoin was able to grow by more than 20% since it was above 40k and it reached to the most important resistance zone between 47 to 49,000 dollars, and it stopped recently. And I think there is a possibility of dropping or falling on these two exponential averages, 200 EMA, this blue, and 100 EMA, this purple line, which are above 45 to above for $43,000 as its next rejection support area. Uh, Also, I don't think so it can fall more because we have seen some completely bullish sign in the Bitcoin from here, and it started the recent uh, bullish movement with this crossover between 14 EMA and 20 EMA in the daily time frame. And it is interesting that anytime that Bitcoin changed direction, it started with this cross between 14 and 20 EMA. You can see exactly here. It dropped hugely and reached $28,000. And also here it started a new bullish movement from here and also change direction here, also here, also but this crossover here and this and here also when it reaches ATH by this cross under between 14 and 20 MA here and drop again on this support, previous support, strong support area. And recently we have seen some crossover, cross under, crossover, cross under, and several crossover by more than one, two, three, four crossover, which is a completely bullish sign. And today, if Bitcoin be able to maintain these two uh, EMAs, exponential averages, 100 and 200 and 100 EMA, it can continue its uptrend just if it be able to break out this important resistance zone, and then it can easily reach uh, the next support, next resistance zone between 55 to 57.5 thousand dollar as its next resistance zone and target, and so on. If it be able to break out this important another important resistance zone, it have any significant resistance level in this way to have a completely bullish rally in this case. But otherwise, if it not be able to maintain this support area, it can fall more to next to lower support area in this case. And also for Ethereum. What about Ethereum? Uh, it has a similar, almost a similar pattern and situation like Bitcoin, and it was around here that I posted a analysis for Ethereum, and it was struggling with this descending trend line, and it was be able to break out this, and also it was be able to uh, this important uh, volume zone area, and by some crossover here, and recently it reached to the second descending trend line, and it's struggling. It is now struggling with this important this descending trend line, and if it be able to continue and maintain, if it be able to maintain this maintain itself above this descending trend line, it can rise more and have a growth by more than 10%. It can reach, then it can reach the next resistance zone about between 3.8 to 4,000 dollars as its next resistance target for Ethereum. But otherwise, if it not be able to maintain itself above this descending trend line, it can fall more and probably fluctuating in this suppose triangle and then continue with uptrend or another attempt like this scenario. Also, I'm gonna have a glance on the total market cap. It was be able to break out this descending trend line and have a huge growth. Also, more important than that, this important zone resistance zone between $1.97 trillion to $2.08 trillion, which is a completely bullish sign for the for Bitcoin and whole crypto market and altcoins, and if it be able to maintain itself above this important resistance zone, which is already a support area, it can be a strong, very strong bullish sign for the whole crypto market, and it can reach to the next resistance zone above 2.5, 2.4 to 2.5 trillion dollar as its next target and resistance zone. And if you be able to break out this resistance above 2.5, the whole crypto market maybe became parabolic and we will see huge significant growth in the whole crypto market. So that's all for this analysis, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. Take it in mind, this analysis was my personal opinion, not financial advice at all. And if you would like to support me, smash the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friend. I will see you next time. Goodbye.